Let me ask you something. When was the last time you knew you were wrong, but still tried to justify it? Not because you didn't see it, but because you didn't want to admit it. One of the most powerful things you can do in your marriage is this. Be willing to accept when you are wrong. Now that sounds simple, but in real life, it's not. Because when there is clear evidence that you made the wrong decision or handled something the wrong way, you have a choice. You can either defend it or correct it. And this is where pride shows up. Pride says, I know what I'm doing. I'm not the problem. You just don't understand me. But here's what pride actually does. Pride destroys credibility, not just with your spouse, but with anyone who sees it. Because over time, your spouse stops trusting your words, your decisions, even your leadership. But humility does the opposite. Humility says, you know what? I missed that. I didn't handle that right. I need to do better. And when that happens, something powerful opens up in your marriage. Growth, trust, respect. The Bible speaks clearly about this. Proverbs 11 verse 2 reminds us, when pride comes, then comes disgrace, but with the humble is wisdom. Proverbs 18 verse 2 says, a fool takes no pleasure in understanding, but only in expressing his opinion. And Proverbs 14 verse 1 tells us, the wise woman builds her house, but the foolish tears it down with her own hands. In other words, you can either build your marriage or slowly tear it down based on how you respond when you're wrong. Let me talk to both sides for a moment. If you struggle admitting when you're wrong, ask yourself this: is your goal to be right or to get it right? Because those are not the same thing. And if you're the one dealing with a spouse who won't admit when they're wrong, be careful not to respond with pride as well, because pride on both sides creates distance. So here's what I want you to do next time you feel it. That moment when you know, I didn't handle that right. Pause. Don't defend. Don't justify. Pray. Lord, give me the humility to admit when I'm wrong and the wisdom to make it right. Help me choose understanding over stubbornness. Because here's the truth. Humility is not weakness. Humility is strength under control. And the marriages that grow are not the ones where people are always right. They're the ones where people are willing to be corrected. If this message spoke to you, don't just hear it, get help applying it. Because knowing what to do and actually doing it are two different things. That's exactly why we created the Marriage Greatness Couples class. This is where couples learn how to communicate better, break unhealthy patterns, grow together instead of growing apart, and apply God's word in real situations. If you're ready to strengthen your marriage, email me directly at info@thecolorofmarriage.com. Type marriage greatness in the subject line, and I'll personally send you the next steps.